Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alger, or near Ada, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Bluffton, Arlington, Rawson, Van Loo, Mount Blanchard, Benton Ridge, Genera, Mount Corey, and Williamstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hancock, Ohio.
God. Holy crap.
The